So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now if you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a good affordable steam cleaner so you can get rid of messes like this. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this machine right in front of you. This is the Karcher SC2 EasyFix. Now this is by far affordable and best value for your money based on what you can find. I'll leave links in the description for you to check it out. Now with everything open, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbox everything and I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to go run it to you guys one by one. Before we go ahead with anything, I'd like to let you know this video is not sponsored by anybody. This I've purchased on my own and I'm doing an honest review and what my first impressions are of this machine. So whatever I say is all subjective. Okay, starting off with the machine, which is the SC2 by Karcher. It has a lot of high power features which are listed on the box, which I'll run through in a few moments. It has the hose attached to it which does not come off, and it has the trigger which is here. Everything is controlled by your hand, which has 2 levels of settings with a child protection. So once it's locked, it is locked, and when you are ready to use it, you flick up the trigger and you press. There's 2 wheels that fit on the side of the machine itself, and you have 1 swivel wheel which fits on the front, which makes it easy to move about. 2 dedicated mop heads. One is for your hand brush attachment, which is this little guy here, and one is for the actual floor mop head, which you can use for mopping up your floors. And then you have these 2 extendable piping here, which is interlocking and can fit into the hose itself. Thereafter you also have the small nylon brush as well as a small brush attachment which fits into the trigger. This is for your gentle scrubbing, as well as the manual, which is available in various languages. You can find that out for yourself. So enough talk about this, let's get into it. So now you're probably wondering why I have everything all laid out over here. It's because you can see this is the back end of an SUV. Now this will always get dirty. Let's see if how good and effective this machine is at tackling these tough stains. Setting up the SC2 is very easy. All you're going to do is firstly is remove the fill end, and you're going to grab 1 liter of water. Now unfortunately it does not come with a measurement cup in the box. You can use any 1 liter container. This is roughly 1 liter. So I'm just going to pour it in all the way. And I'm going to close it up. With that done, I'm going to take the area specific power plug and I'm going to plug it into the electrical socket, and I'm going to let it heat up until it's ready. With the steamer plugged in, you can see it has power by illuminating the green light, and the orange light means that it is warming up, getting the element warmed up nice and hot and getting the steam built up. Now this says it takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Now that has been roughly 8 to 10 minutes. So it is within the ballpark. So all I'm going to do basically is now use the hose attachment, flick it up, take it off, unlock, and I'm going to spray the trigger. Oops. Now whenever you're using a steamer for the first time after it's being heated and pressurized, what you're going to do is you want to point it away from everything and spray away from it. That way wherever any excess water is in the hose itself, it's all set, let go. That with that out of the way, I'm going to take the brush attachment like so, and I'm going to try and see if this stains here can actually go away. Now this is without any detergents or any scrubbing, it's just the brush attachment and a microfiber towel. Give it some time to reheat. That's where you're getting the most amount of pressure. And you see the light's just gone off. I'm not sure if you can see it. So spray away and let's go. Now that we've steamed it, I'm going to take a microfiber towel and just Now if you can see, while this is kind of damp, you can actually see the difference between this side here, which is not clean, and this side here, which has just been steamed. Already there's a big difference. Now you can get the most amount of it by just using maybe some chemicals afterwards, but with just the steamer alone, I'll say it did a very good job. I'm gonna try out with the small hose attachment here and see if we can get these inner parts nice and clean. So I'm gonna try that and let's see what the results are. So for this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the small hose fitting here, water out, and I'm just gonna blast away. Already that made a big difference. Now honestly speaking, if I could go on and do a complete and more intense demonstration of this video, I would. But let me know what you guys think, if I should, or if you'd be interested in seeing this product in better action once we can. So in conclusion, what I want to say about this machine here is, for the price that it is, it's absolutely well worth it as an entry-level steamer without having to get the actual cheap stuff. There are higher end models that are available, you can check those out. I'll leave links in the description for you guys so you can check it out, and I'll leave links to this specific model so you can see it for yourself if you're thinking about getting one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did find it informative, and let me know what you'd like to see in coming forward. I will do a proper in-depth review of this in the next coming videos, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share your comments in the comment section down below. So yeah, I hope you guys see you again.